Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn exactly how to prevent the X app from accessing your contacts on your Android device. Protecting your privacy is simple, and you can do it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and privacy options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. On some devices, this might be called App Management or Applications. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the X app. When you see it, tap on its name to open the app's info page. Next, look for the option labeled Permissions. This section shows you all the different features and data the X app can access on your device, such as your camera, location, and of course, your contacts. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of permission categories. Find contacts in this list and tap on it. Here, you'll be presented with a few options. To stop X from accessing your contacts, simply select Don't Allow. This will block the app from reading or syncing any contact information stored on your phone. That's it. You've now successfully prevented the X app from accessing your contacts. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to allow access again. Remember, managing your app permissions puts you in control of your personal information and helps keep your data secure. Thanks for following along with this quick privacy tip. For more simple guides like this, don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Stay safe and enjoy your day.